Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I show you how to buy a digital Roblox gift card on Amazon. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up any web browser and head on over to amazon.com. I'm in Australia, so it's going to be amazon.com.au for my situation, but if you're in a different country, it'll have a different ending of that URL. And now when you're on the home page of Amazon here, in the search bar, type in Roblox gift card, then hit enter. And now, as you can see, a whole different range of different Roblox gift cards are available to buy. So pick one that best suits your situation. So if you want a $100 Roblox gift card, click into that. And now go ahead on click add to cart. While you're here, you can change it to $10 or $25. Or you can get not just one of these, you can get multiple, so you can get 2 gift cards for $100. So I'm going to add that to cart, and now I'm going to go proceed to checkout, and here would want to sign me in, so I'm going to go ahead and sign into my account. Alright, now I've signed in, and it will ask you to add a credit card or debit card, or you can enter a gift card to buy it with, purchase it with, and then after that place the order, and then you'll receive it. If it's digital, you'd receive it instantly, or if it's physical, it'll get sent out to you. So yeah, that's it guys, how to buy a digital Roblox gift card on Amazon. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.